Trading Signals. Our vision is your success. The best trading signals that will increase your profit drastically. Unique trading signals from professional technical analysts adapted for binary options trading. Various strategies of technical analysis for different time frames. Wide range of assets and expiry times. Hybrid trading system, manual and auto trading. Trade budget controller, web and mobile app. We will guide you step by step to understand better how our system works and how to become a trading signals trader. Select one of the unique trading signals to view the full information of the signal. Click on Buying Order button to place your trading buying order. Choose the amount you wish to invest on the current signal and click on the Confirm button. Now we will introduce you to all the account information. Your current account balance in your real trading account. Open positions you currently have using the trading signals. The amount of money you invested in your open positions. The potential payout you will get back if all your open positions will expire in the money. Full information about your open trades until the expiry date. Follow other Trading Signals members' activity in the system. Now you are successfully qualified as a Trading Signals trader. Trading Signals, your chance of winning. Start now your new trading experience with 7 days free trial.